if you get a change in your body, I've never seen a trainer who gets a change that's very nice.
Hi guys, a very warm welcome to Bodyprocoach Nutrition. I am Maahek Nair and today we are doing lean egg open wrap. Let's quickly go and see the recipe. These are really cool egg white and almond flour tortilla. I've taken clarified butter, that's about half a teaspoon. Cook this on low flame for 2 to 3 minutes. And it's done. So I've added my kale leaves. Just be careful while adding because it suddenly comes up. Now to that I'm going to whisk and add 1 whole egg. To this you can also add some salt. And our egg is done. And now we go ahead with my lean egg wrap. So here I have my Skinnies. I'm adding mayo burger sauce. I'm using a butter knife and I'm going to evenly spread out the same. Next I'm going to add is some iceberg lettuce. And I'm going to add my kale, cucumber. Next I have my egg. Our lean egg open wrap is ready. Eggs are an excellent source of protein. They are loaded with great amino acid profile which is BCAA. It also contains a good amount of omega-3s and helps you to raise good cholesterol. This is a great meal option for a lunch or dinner and contains less than 5 grams